Samsung Galaxy A40, dual camera, large battery and small notch. It has been known for some times that Samsung wants to polish up the Galaxy A series with other devices and use new names for it. So Galaxy A30 and Galaxy A50 are already official. Galaxy A40, Galaxy A60 and Galaxy A90 is apparently planning. So Galaxy fans, welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification of our future videos. Now, Roland Quandt from WinFuture Germany has been able to gather some information and numerous pictures of the Galaxy A40, an entry-level mid-range device. Samsung is set to hold an event on April 10, 2019 in 3 cities around the world: Sao Paulo, Milan and Bangkok. Samsung Galaxy A40 is expected to be launched officially at the event alongside the Samsung Galaxy A90 and Samsung Galaxy A60. The event will be live streamed for the global audience on Samsung's official YouTube channel and their website. So far, it has been assumed that the Galaxy A40 could have a triple camera on the back and a fingerprint scanner in the display. But even with the both features, you will be a little bit disappointed because on the back of the Galaxy A40 is probably only on a dual camera set, and also the fingerprint scanner wanders back to the back. The 5.7-inch smartphone with Infinity U display also features an Exynos 7885 octa-core SoC with a clock rate of 1.6 GHz. The SoC is supported by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory and was already installed in the Galaxy A8 last year. Under the hood, probably a 4000 mAh strong battery will be installed. A confirmation is still pending. The Galaxy A40 will probably be available at a price of around 250 euros and in the colors black, white, coral and blue. The operating system is Android 9.0 Pie as standard. The detailed description or specification is appreciated on our channel lately, so we are going to continue it. Here you go with the detailed specs of Samsung Galaxy A40. Samsung Galaxy A40 falls in the Galaxy A series and can be seen as the successor to the Galaxy A6 from 2018. Smartphones from this mid-range line are characterized by their combinations of excellent specification for a relatively low price. Talking about its large display with notch, the Samsung Galaxy A40 has a large screen of 5.9 inch and a borderless design. Because the housing is somewhat rounded, the device fits comfortably in the hand. The selfie camera is incorporated in a notch or a small recess at the top of the display. Now let's talk about its dual camera and wide angle lens. A double camera is placed vertically on the back of the Samsung Galaxy A40. The top camera has a resolution of 5 megapixel and is equipped with a wide angle lens. This way you can capture even more images, useful for landscape or your group of friends, for example. The second camera is a 16 megapixel specimen and makes excellent pics in both dark and daylight using artificial intelligence, of course. The camera recognizes various scenes and optimizes your photos accordingly. This way colors are displayed clearly. The contrast is adjusted and the results are even better. If we look at the selfie camera for the details, the front cam has a resolution of 25 megapixels and that ensures that every selfie looks super in terms of details. With extras like Smart Beauty and Selfie Focus, you always stand out at your best. In addition, it is possible to add different stickers to your photos or play with effects, making your selfie look even better. Battery with fast charging function is always a question. The Samsung Galaxy A40 has a battery capacity of 3100 mAh. That way you can easily get through the day on one battery charge. With the 64 GB of storage memory, you can take a lot of photos and save files before your memory is full. The Galaxy A40 offers specs for 2 SIM cards, which means you can be reached with 2 numbers on one phone. The device is supplied by Samsung with Android 9.0 Pie, the well-known software of search engine giant Google. Now you'll get Samsung Galaxy A40, a charger and a USB cable in a box, and about the warranty and repairs, it comes with 2-year Samsung warranty. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's not wait for April 10th, 2019 and pre-order the device now. Also tell us in the comments below if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge, and until the next video, peace out, take care, bye bye.